Hello, today I would like to let you understand how to taste an extra virgin olive oil. Today, a very special guest. It is F.lli Fratta. It is a luxury EVO, 100% made in Italy, in Puglia region. It is the land vocated for the production of the extra virgin olive oil. The tasting is usually done in a glass like this. It is a blue glass, as you can see, and it is a cup. It has a very special shape because it can be handled like this, because the extra virgin olive oil put into the glass needs to be warmed up by the temperature of our hand. But why the color? The blue color is because when we pour the oil into the glass, we don't need to take care about the color of the extra virgin olive oil, because the extra virgin olive oil can be green, dark green, can be gold yellow, can be pale yellow, but it not depends absolutely on the quality of our extra virgin olive oil. But let's start with the tasting. So we pour a little bit of the oil into the glass. So we cup the glass in one end like this. We put the cover here to trap the aromas inside, and at the same time we warm it. When we stick our nose into the glass and we take a good whiff of the aroma, so we notice aromas and smells of fruits. But which kind of fruits? Not banana, not melon, not strawberry, nothing like this. The fruits that you can smell in an extra virgin olive oil are smells of artichokes, of tomato, of rucola. Absolutely different kind of fruit. But at the same time, you can feel flowers, like white flowers, for example. You can feel balsamic notes, or fresh cut grass, for example. So you can suck the air through the oil and you coax more about the aromas. This technique called strippaggio, you can understand more and perceive more of the retronasal notes, because you know that nose and mouth are strictly connected, so you can feel through the oxygenation all the notes that can be perceived in both nose and mouth. Then you swallow the oil and you perceive two important attributes. The first one is the pungency. The pungency is like a spicy sensation, like the one of chili pepper, for example, so you can perceive it a lot in your throat. And it is a very positive attribute, so if you can feel the pungency and this spicy sensation in your throat, it is a very good attribute of the oil. That means this is a very extra virgin olive oil. It has a very good quality. Then the second attribute is the bitterness, and the bitterness is much more like the one of coffee without sugar or bitter chocolate. So the bitterness is really a good and positive attribute for the olive oil, that, like the fruitiness, that is the first one that we can perceive only by the nose, and the second two, there were pungency and bitterness. So these three attributes can depend a lot from the olive variety, but also on the rate of ripeness of the olives. But as I told you before, we can perceive attributes, but at the same time, especially through the tasting in the mouth, you can perceive a lot of, for example, you can detect some defects, but the defects are not something really good, of course, in the extra virgin olive oil, because even if you find one defect, maybe it means that your olive oil is not extra virgin. But I would like to let you know just a little bit about defects, because in extra virgin olive oil you can find 5 different kinds of defects, but there are some which are the most common to find, and they are, above all, the rancidity, that is a defect of the olive that is done by the oxidation in the time. And the second defect is moody. Also moody, like for example the rancidity, is given by the oxidation, and at the same time is a defect of the process of the olives. Okay, of course, all the other defects, I told you there are 5, the most important 5 defects, and all the rest are mainly connected to problems during the production process of the olives. Of course, the extra virgin olive oil must not have any defect, okay? Well, so I hope that you find interest in my video to understand how to taste an extra virgin olive oil, and I hope that you learn some good tips for your job, and also appreciate this video and the next one. Thank you, bye bye.